What's going on, guys? So today I'm starting a little new thing on the channel, kind of like a series, I guess, like you could call it, but basically it's gonna be a build breakdown. And I'm currently driving on the way to meet my friend. His name is Chauncey. But with this whole series, yeah, it's just gonna be you know, I'm gonna choose, you know, a couple cars here and there that I find are, you know, super sick or really well done. And yeah, we're just gonna do a quick little build breakdown on it, and pretty much just give you guys like a basic rundown of its build list, and also hopefully get a little ride along. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to meet my friend Chauncey. He's the owner of Tintworks. He's the one that's tinted this car, and also my Subaru. As you guys can see, it's pretty dark back there. But yeah, he also drives the fastest Subaru on the island. So yeah, we're gonna get a quick ride from him in his Subaru and give you guys a little breakdown of his car. Yes, sir. We're here. I'm with Chauncey. This is his STI. As you can already tell, crazy setup. I'll try to break it down a little in depth with this build, but yeah, he doesn't want to talk as much on the camera, so I'm gonna try to say as much as I can about it. As you can see, you got the Advan GTs, this 5 spokes on the R888. Some meaty boys on there, as you guys can already tell. Process West intercooler, boost labs turbo, tile blow-off valve, Mishimoto radiator, all the good stuff. What stage is this block? It's like, yep,
it's a 1,000 horsepower block, stage 4 extreme, stage 5 heads.
Damn. So you heard it there first. But yeah, I mean, other than the motor and the crazy tire setup, it's a pretty simple car. And of course this fuel cell, yeah, this fuel cell is crazy. He has this whole setup here. I couldn't even begin to tell you what all this really is, but you guys see it. But yeah, super nice build. Can I open your doors? Is that okay? You got the Cusco 6-point cage with the Brown seats. Other than that, it's pretty factory in here. The Cusco braces to hold the seat harnesses in. He has the sparkle harnesses. And yeah, I mean, other than that, if this hood wasn't popped, you honestly would not tell unless, I mean, you look at the tires. But yeah, guys, he also told me that he's gonna give me a list of his mods, so I'll probably show that, you know, right here on the screen, just so you guys can see. It's a lot though, so just be prepared for that. But for now, I'm just get some quick cinematics, some B-rolls of the car, and then yeah, we should be on the way to the ride along. So, rough estimate, how much do you think this makes?
About mid-8s.
Mid-8s. Solid. Torque-wise?
Maybe about high 6s.
High 6s. Sheesh. So yeah, you guys see it. I mean, not much else to say. I mean, it's all right here in front of your guys' face. Just gonna give us a little quick startup. Really, like, if you didn't know, man, and you try to mess with this guy, sheesh. But yeah, as you guys can see, I mean, from the tone, the exhaust note of it, you would not expect this car to be that crazy. But yeah, so if you ever plan on running up on a, you know, orangish red Subi, I'd second guess. You don't be using the harnesses? Just for show? Oh yeah. So I forgot the mount thing for my GoPro, so I'm gonna try to just hold it, because since this is a super view one, and get our reactions, or at least my reaction. And I'll try to hold this camera, the one I'm holding now, just for the point of view. I didn't even know you had like the built trans and everything.
Oh, yeah,
like
my
that.
driveline is built.
Damn. Sorry if this is a little shaky. Holding it. Oh, it sounds good. How big is the turbo?
68mm.
Okay.
Spot.
Oh, bro, this is a race car.
God, it's rough inside.
What clutch is this?
Competition triple disc. It's actually smoother and pretty softer than you would think. Like it almost feels stock to me.
Really?
I could be used to it, but I think others have said that too.
Wow. Shit.
That was about 44 pounds of juice. You know who I raced was Caleb in the CTS.
Oh yeah. That one's fast.
This car is fast.
Yeah.
We were like right next to each
Yeah,
other.
I know. I seen that video.
It's either I'm gonna smoke you or we're gonna be real close.
Yeah. Damn.
You were real close.
Holy shit. Definitely the fastest car I've ever been.
I mean, shit. Whose car you been in? Shane, right?
Shane and then that pure turbo.
How was that other one? That one was faster.
Yeah.
Feels different though.
Yeah.
All-wheel drive,
Yeah.
especially a Subaru.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he made like high 8s too.
That should be good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's SNG Mons.
Yeah. His one was fast, but like I don't know, that initial hit on this car is ridiculous. Does it really not feel like anything to you anymore?
It feels regular.
Oh, bruh. That's ridiculous. this car's actually like pretty scary, not gonna lie.
Well, you know what? Passenger always feels scary.
Yeah.
I remember.
I never felt scared honestly in anyone, like even Billy's.
Really?
Yeah, it wasn't like like that first pool we did up here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that felt pretty scary.
That was pretty fast. I got it.
Yeah.
I didn't even look how fast we were going though.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
No, I don't think I did. Bro. I was holding like this. But at least in the the 120s, yeah, teens, yeah. Oh, for real? Oh, is your gearing like make you like? Does it change your, the mile per hour at which you shift at?
What I noticed is I just rev higher, so it's gotta be faster.
What do you rev up to?
Like 81.
Oh shit, yeah, 81,000.
But it didn't change my gear ratios.
This guy's Mickey Thompson's on.
Really?
Yeah. That's way less than me, because I'm at like almost 14 right now. Yeah, mine's 2020.
That's why this Trans is still fresh,
And you just tore it apart and got them built.
You have to tear it apart to put the transfer gear in.
Okay.
But the only thing I could do is sequential shifting.
Yeah. That's like 20 grand, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Man. Hey, thank you so much, man.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that was the craziest Subaru drive I've ever been on.
I'm glad you got to experience it.
Yeah.
We've been talking about it a long
I know. Nah, that was crazy. Honestly, it felt faster than what I thought it was gonna feel
really?
like. Yeah.
That's good.
But probably like in a couple weeks.
Yes,
guarantee. I appreciate it, man. Thank you. Get a little bit of him rolling out. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. I just got back to my car, and yeah, I mean, big shout out to Chauncey. You're the man. It's crazy. That's probably the best Subaru experience I've ever had in my life up to this point, and that's what a Subaru is supposed to feel like. It's also definitely one of the fastest, if not the fastest car I've ever sat in. The only other car that can compete with Chauncey's one that I've personally been in is Billy's car, the one that you guys saw in the dyno video. His 890 Supra is definitely up there in power, but just something about that manual raw feeling of the Subaru, man, is a different feeling. But yeah, this video would have never happened if it wasn't for him, and I just appreciate a lot that he was able to come, meet me on his own time and let me take a full video of his car, let me ask him questions about the car, even let me go for a ride in his car, and yeah, that's a lot to ask. So yeah, I appreciate it a lot, Chauncey. Thank you, man. You're the best. And I know a lot of builders, when they get to the stage that he's at, like fully built motor, built trans, complete fuel system, everything, all that stuff, it's a lot of money. Like that Subaru has probably twice as much money than my Subaru, and I've honestly dumped a ridiculous amount in my Subaru. So yeah, I know a lot of builders, when they get to that point, they don't really want to tell all their secrets and tell all their specs and all that, but Chauncey's more than willing to, let everyone know what he has done to it, because, he's not afraid that someone's going to build the same thing or anything like that. So yeah, that's super cool, him being open to letting everyone know what he has done to his car and all that. So yeah, thanks again, man. I appreciate it a lot. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I see you guys in the next build breakdown or in the next video, whatever's to come first. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.